Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this Barbie and the Secret Door outfit on Dress to Impress. I did use a Roblox item as well as some VIP items as well, mostly just for the crown. The rest, I didn't really do anything, so let's just remove everything except for the ones I did adjustments on, which is the hair. Then I'm just going to select this hair in blonde EEB F9C, position the Y.56, sorry, Z.71. Grab this updo in the same color, grab this hair in back only, position the Y.54, Z.61. Grab this crown from VIP and color it E32B63 and FF316F. First toggle, position the Y.66, rotate the X to 0.48 and scale it to 0.22. Grab this flower and color it FF0050 and FF45F45. Position the Y at 0.77, Z 0.46, rotate the X to 0.46, Y to 0.58, and scale it to 0. Now for the outfit, I'm going to start with this first, this Roblox item. Select this color FF316F in silk and turn off see-through. Second one, we're going to use this pattern in silk, and then we're going to use that same color again in silk. Then we're going to use this top over here from the spring collection in this color first, and then I think I did purple and orange. Okay, I don't remember which. I think I did orange first in silk, like this orange, and then I think I did purple in silk as well, and then I did yellow if I'm not mistaken and blue in silk. And then I'm just going to grab the Valentine's Day top here as well in the same color in silk, and then in that same color again, and then I think I did blue, or did I do pink? I forgot, but you can do any color that you want, really. It doesn't really matter. You can do orange, you can do blue. I'll just do blue for now and see where that goes. I'm trying to match it with the skirt. Then I'm going to grab this skirt, the switch skirt, in pink, in foil, and then that pink again. And then I'm going to grab this skirt in this pattern in silk and in that pink color. Then I'm going to grab this skirt as well. We're just layering it on in this pattern in silk, and then the bottom pink in silk, like so. And then hold on, let me look at the reference. Do I have it on my left or on my right? Okay, and then I'm going to grab this too, this one, and type 2 in this color in silk, and then that color in silk as well. And then I think I'm just going to color that the same as my skin tone. Let me just grab the color of my skin tone real quick. Okay. Cool. Then I'm also going to take this one and I'm going to color this one pink in silk, and then silk, and then this pattern again, and then this pattern, sorry, this color in silk. Okay, yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.